Just going to quickly zoom in. That's my customer. I have clicked on a button that says Append Query, and I want to append it with number 3. You'll see in here there is an option to link it to more tables. Now that would work if my data was set out in exactly the same way. So that is when you are joining information from different tables together. So I am going to change that to merge. Oops. Merge my query. This is my EX2 and this is my EX3. In this case, I have my customer number here and my customer number here. So that could be your payroll number, anything that is unique that joins it. And when we start talking about relationships, I don't know how many people have used the data models in Excel where you're matching it through relationships, but you have this ability to change the information and how the relationship works. And this all goes back to database rules. So this is everything from the first table and only show me data from the second if it matches. There are other ways of doing this. So we can have right outer joins and full outer joins and inner joins. In order to try that out, you can just work through with them. It just depends. Do I want the data from both? Do I want it to match? Do I only want it to show me if they do have an order?